Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sindy Akpolo, and if this is your first time joining or stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you guys so much for joining or tuning in. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing an Instagram versus real life makeup. You know, the regular makeup we do on Instagram or the regular makeup you see on Instagram might not be as regular or as the same as that in the daytime or real life. So I'm just going to be showing you makeup in reality versus the makeup in Instagram. Does that make sense? I don't know if that sounds right. And if you like videos or tutorials like this, please like, comment and subscribe. Share this tutorial to your friends, your loved ones, and let's jump into the tutorial. I'm going to be moisturizing my face. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Msmetics moisture cushion or moisture cushion. That's the right pronunciation. I'm going to moisturize, and you need moisturizer in your everyday routine, whether you're wearing your makeup or not. I can't stress this enough, but you need a moisturizer. I'm just going to work this in through my skin. Next up, I'm going to be using the Makeuprevolution mattifying primer, and because I'm oily skin, I'm using a mattifying primer. So I'm just gonna be applying this on the areas where I tend to get oily. So whether you're doing your Instagram makeup or your regular makeup, you need a primer on your skin. So I'm going to be working it how I normally do my makeup on both on Instagram and and in real life. So just working that on the areas where I tend to get oily the most, which is my T-zone area. Yes, I've not done my brows. Usually for real life or real time, I'll do my brows and before doing any of my makeup or doing the rest of my makeup, as well as this. So when I'm in a hurry, I tend to switch or do the brows last. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Toofaced Born This Way foundation in Honey. So I'm gonna be using this on the I did section which will be for the reality. Okay, this will be for the Instagram side and this will be the reality. So I'm gonna be using this foundation for the Instagram side. Just gonna apply one pump, which is okay. And then for the reality side or the real life side, I'm going to be using the Fentybeauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation in 350. Same likewise, one pump, maybe probably half a pump. So I don't use too much. I'm switching the brush, so I'm just going to be using another brush. I love how Fenty makes does their product. Like the scent from the product is insane, so freaking cute and luxurious. That's the Beauties scent. But let this different foundation I'm wearing on my face not see good. They both blend seamlessly together. Yeah, you can see it didn't cover out, so I need kind of more coverage because this side is skin like, so this looks like I applied product on my face. So I'm just going to blend them together. This side still have more coverage compared to this side. I don't know if you can see, but there's more coverage on this side compared to this side. For the real life or reality side, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 400 Caramel. And for the Instagram side, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NC40. For contour, I'm going to be using the LA Pro Concealer in Dark Purple. Instagram side, you always see this highlighted, like you can see the highlights or the concealer always lighter than the usual foundation or than the foundation. But on the reality or real-time side, you see the concealer tends to blend with your skin. It's not as overly highlighted compared to the one in the Instagram side. You can tell the difference between the Instagram and the reality. I'm going to blend in these two with the highlight and the contour so you don't see the harsh lines. For the real life side, I'm going to be using the Focallure setting powder in Coraline or Coraline. For the Instagram side, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me this powder in 25. Next up for contour, I'm going to be using the ZKL and I'm going to be taking this shade here. For contour, I love my contour to be well pronounced both on Instagram and on YouTube. Both on Instagram and in reality or in real life. To blend all of the part for, I'm going to be taking the ZKL Facing palette. I'm going to be mixing these two shades. See how this side looks more natural compared to this side. Next up for the real life, I'm going to spray my face and I'll be taking the Mario Badescu Rose Water. My face. We're doing my brows off camera. If you want to see a brow tutorial, I have an updated brow kit up on my channel or in the card. Moving on, to set my under eye to cash out the fallout from the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be placing my Blackopal infallible oil blocking powder in my under. Shadow base, I'm going to be using my P. Louise Rumour base in 04. Next for eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow today I'm going to be using the Moodbeauty eyeshadow palette, Arusha Palette. So for the real life, I'll be using this Nana to set as my transition. And then for the Instagram side, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm going to be taking this shade to deepen the shades for the real life side. This shade, just to add like a bit of color to and then for the Instagram side again, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Taking this shade for the real life side, so I'm going to be using this shade. Real life, I love colors. I love playing with colors, so adding colors to my lips. This is how I would wear my makeup in real life. So pardon me if I don't do the regular, simple, basic eyeliner. Then for the Instagram side, I'm going to be taking this shade. Next, over at the top of the Instagram side, I'm going to be taking this shade. Yes! For the under eye, I'm going to place in the eyeshadow under eye for the Instagram cards. Going back in with that purple shade we used earlier. And for the real life, I'm going to be using eyeliner. For liner, I'm going to be using the Zaroncosmetics eyeliner in Jazz 01. I'm going to be taking volume and length mascara. And for blush today, I'm going to be taking the Zickel 1601 Highlight Blush Palette. I'm going to be taking this shade for the reality side, and I'm going to be taking this shade for the Instagram side. For highlight for the reality side or for the real life side, I'm going to be taking the Romantic Bed highlighter. So Instagram side, I'm going to be taking this Lots and Jennifer Lopez highlighter and this Focallure by Chloe highlighter. I'm going to be mixing these two highlights together. To line my lip for the real life side, I'm going to be using the Zaron lip liner in Bold. For the Instagram side, I'm going to be taking the Elsa's Pro lip liner in Burgundy to line my lip. For lipstick on the real life side, I'm going to be taking the XOXO Powder Stain in Pump Cream. Then for the Instagram side, I'm going to be taking the Elsa's Pro lipstick in Blue 03. She's gorgeous. She's cute. I'm going to add some lip gloss to the real life side. So I'll be taking the Zaron XOXO Shea Lip Gloss in Flawless. I'm going to set my face with the Ebony New York Matte Finish Spray on the Instagram side. And then for the real life side, I'm going to take the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or you learned one or two things from this tutorial. Do let me know which side you prefer the most. For me, my regular day-to-day dressing or fully glammed, I would naturally want to go for this side, which looks more subtle, but on a norm, this is the look I would rather go for, I would rather prefer. So do let me know which of the sides you prefer or which of the sides you love the most. Again, this is the Instagram side and this is the real life side. So I love both looks. Both looks are gorgeous. They stand out, they are different, they have kind of like it has a different vibe to it. So you can see, well, though we use the same eyeshadow on both eyes, but the look on both eyes are not the same. There's a difference on both looks and you can tell the difference. You can tell that this side protrudes more compared to this side. You can see this side is kind of like a skin finish compared to this. You can tell that this look is different from this look. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. So do let me know which side you prefer most or which side you rock on the norm to your normal outing and the rest. So have you ever seen your favorite Instagrammer or your favorite Instagram influencer outside of Instagram or outside of social media? What look is the person wearing? Is the person wearing a fully glam makeup or is the person wearing a neutral makeup? Do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I truly appreciate you guys. If you watched up until this point, let me know what other looks you would like to see or what other tutorials you'd like to see in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, all of that good stuff. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay blessed, and bye guys. Yeah, there's not much of a difference in both looks. So in reality, this makeup or this side of the makeup is different from this side. You can see this is all matte and kind of brightened looks, the blend, the shape of the face, everything is more, but there is kind of like a difference between this look and this look. Oh my god, I'm just questioning myself. Oh. Truthfully or truth be told, most of the looks you see on Instagram, most of them are real. No matter how much application you wear, it all requires, or it all falls into the blend. So whichever look you prefer, whichever look you come up with, or whichever look you decide to wear out on a norm is okay and it's fine by you, it's fine.